Hello everyone, I'm Charan from Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today we are going to see a topic based on completely randomized design. Today I'm going to show an presentation of this topic. Firstly, we are going to see an introduction, completely randomized design, advantages of CRD and disadvantages of CRD, usage of CRD and analysis of CRD, and we are going to end up this section with an conclusion. Firstly, we are going to see an introduction of the topic. Designing an experiment means deciding how the observation or measurement should be taken to answer a particular question in valid, efficient, or economical way. A well designed experiment helps the workers to properly partition the variation of the data into respective components in order to draw a valid conclusion. Completely randomized design. Here we are going to explain briefly on this topic. The completely randomized design, it's also called as an CRD, is the most simplest of all the design based on randomization and replication. In CRD, all treatments are randomly allocated among all experimental subjects. This allows every experimental unit, that is plot animal, soil sample, etc., to have an equal probability of receiving a treatment. Here you can go through of the completely randomized design. And next we are moving to advantages of CRD. CRD has several advantages. It is easy to lay out and design. There is complete flexibility in the number of treatments and number of replication which may vary from of treatment to treatment. The number of replication need not to be same for each treatment. The CRT provides maximum DF for the experiment of experimental error. And next we are going to see and disadvantages of CRT. The main objection against the CRT is that the principle of local controls has not been used in this design, so that the experimental error is inflected by the presence of the entire variation among experimental units. And then we are going to see an usages of CRTs. These usages of CRTs are under condition where the experimental material is homogeneous, that is in physics, chemistry in chemical, and in biological experiment in some of greenhouse studios. In small experimental where there is a small number of DF. CRD is may be used in a chemical or baking experiment where the experimental units are the part of the thoroughly mixed a chemical or an powder. And now we are going to see an analysis of CRD. Here you can go through for a few seconds of analysis of CRDs. Here it is an analysis of CRD. If you have go through it, I'm going to see an next slide. That is an conclusion of the topic. A completely randomized decision relief and randomization to control for the effect of extraneous variables. CRDs are for studying the effect on the primary factor without a need to take another nuis- nuisance variable into an account. Thank you. Here we are going to end up this section, and please hit and like if you have seen the full video. Thank you.